Well, hello there. So today um, we are going to try out Windows 11 and see what it looks like. So I decided to install this in a virtual machine because I don't want to do a new installation. So just to see how it looks and if there is any difference to Windows 10, I will try to install it on my little Intel NUC server, which has also Home Assistant running. So um, for to do for this we will need VirtualBox, which you can download here at virtualbox.org. You will go to downloads. You will if you have Windows installation or other operating systems. I have Windows, so I downloaded this one for Windows hosts, and also I installed the extension pack, and this was for Home Assistant. I don't know if you need it only for Windows. So I have this already installed. I will not do it again. It's simple installation. You first install the Windows host. After that you will install the extension pack, and that's it. Okay, so here we are. We need to create a new virtual machine. I already have downloaded the ISO for Windows 11, so let's see how it goes. So we will go to new. Let's give it a name. Let's say Win 11. It's okay, and from here I think we should choose the latest or other Windows. No, I will choose Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, next. Now here I advise you to give it I will give about 4 gigabytes of RAM. Next. And okay, we will create a we already have the Home Assistant here, so we will create a new VirtualBox image. I think this should be okay, or should go for disk. I don't know. We will choose this one and see if it works. Okay, this will be dynamically allocated, and we will give 50 gigs. We have that space, and I advise you to at this point to also give this at least 2 CPUs. Okay, and for chipset we will leave it as it is. Okay, should we enable FE? No, let's don't do it. Okay, for network we will choose bridge adapter, and we have the NUC connected wirelessly, so we will leave it like that. Okay, so I think at this point we can start the virtual machine, and it should ask for a startup disk. Now we will select the image that we downloaded, and we have this on desktop. Yes. Okay, we will choose it and start. Okay, so we can see the Windows just popped up, and I think we will begin installation now. Until it looks the same as Windows 10. We will install it now. I don't have a product key now. I just want to try this. We will use Windows 11 Pro. Okay, we will accept this. Next, custom. Okay, we will go on this one and next. Well, here we are, I think. Okay, let's put it in full screen. Okay, so let's leave it like that. Actually, we are in Romania. Yes, this we will leave it like this. Okay. So it's checking for updates. Yes, personal use. Okay, now let's see how we can get an offline account. Yeah, here it is. Very well hidden, like also on Windows 10. Okay, we will go with a limited one. I think this is for the offline account. Okay, we will call this Windows 11. Do we need a password? I don't think so. We will just click next. No, of course. No. Okay. Required only. We don't want to send anything to Microsoft. So a lot of questions here that I don't really see the point of them, because I think they will track you anyway and they will send almost anything to Microsoft if they want to. So I don't really see the point of those questions. Okay, so we must wait again. We can see the animations changed a little bit, and the quality is a little bit low because I'm using this, I'm installing this on my server and I'm accessing it via remote desktop. So okay, so we are here. Okay, so what's here? What can we do? Can we get off this? Oh no, this is shut down. So what's this? I think this is the start menu now, but how we get rid of it? No? Is this the same? Ah, okay. So this is to hide and unhide the start menu. For me it looks a little bit like Android. I don't know. What do you think? So what's here? Widgets. Yeah, you need a... okay, we don't want that. Let's see what can we do here. Taskbar. Yeah, probably we could... okay, so we need to activate Windows. we cannot activate it because we don't have a product key. So this is how the desktop looks like. We have Windows security. Let's see what's here. Okay, everything seems to be fine, and it's quite unusual that it's not here. We used to it on this side, and I don't know why they put it here. Okay, so where is my PC? This? Yeah, we have the folders here. Network. Okay. Where can I see the properties of this machine? Let's see. Okay, this should be it. Let's see if it's still the same. This PC? No. No, my computer. That should work. No. Okay, so with your PC name, let's see. I wanted to see if we can view some properties. No. Okay. Let's see device manager. Does it still exist? Yeah, we have that. Control panel. Okay. We don't know what. Probably some drivers are missing. Let's see control panel. Yeah, looks a little bit like on Windows 10 and Windows 7, so I think it's the same here. Hardware and sound. And I still don't know where I can access this PC's properties. Maybe here. Now, oh yes. So, okay, we have the PC name, we have the CPU, installed RAM, Windows 11 Pro, version dev. Okay, so this is pretty much about it. Okay guys, so I will not play with this more than I should. So if you want to do the same, this is the way you can install and try out Windows 11 without hurting your current installation or using another PC or something like that. So if you just want to know how it looks and try the feel of it, this is the way to do it. Okay, I will leave you guys to try it out if you want. So hopefully we will see you next time. Okay, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.